Good afternoon, Blue Jays. Just another video tutorial here to show you how two apps on your iPad can work hand in hand. The first is Google Drive, and in this case Google Drive is already an app that I have saved on my iPad. It's in the upper right hand corner. It is the green, yellow, and blue ribbon, triangle shaped ribbon, and you see Google Drive underneath it. I understand that icon looks a little bit different if you were to download it today, so you may be looking for one with more of a white background, but that same green, yellow, and blue triangle, and it'll probably say Drive underneath. So as long as you have that, you're in good shape. If not, strongly recommend that you get it. And the other one would be our eBackpack app. So first things first, I'm just going to show you very quickly how to open up a document, create a new document in Google Drive on your iPad, and then I'm going to show you how you can access that document and upload it into eBackpack. So I'm going to go to Google Drive. You can see here that I have several folders that have been created. But right now, I'm going to show you how to create a new file. The plus sign in the upper right hand corner, if you press that, it gives you several different options. In this case, I'm just going to create a new document, or what is the equivalent of a Word document. We're going to name that eBackpack Sample. And what it's going to open up, like I said, is something that looks like a Word document. You can bold, indent, underline, justify bullets, do some various tab things, some pretty basic features, but if you're typing an essay or a short paper or reflection or taking notes, this may be a good tool that you want to use. And the great thing is we're going to show you how to take the items that you've created on your iPad and Google Drive and move those over into eBackpack, whether it's an assignment you're turning in or some notes that you'd like to store in eBackpack to access later. So in this case, I'm just going to type in hello Blue Jays. Okay, and let's say, hypothetically speaking, that's all I wanted to do on this particular document. I'm going to select Done. I'm going to close, and I've created that document here on my drive. And if I wanted to access it, I could go down into my files and I could find that particular item. You'll see that the eBackpack sample is right there in the middle of my screen right now. I'm going to go into the eBackpack app. I'm at the home screen of eBackpack right now, and in the upper right hand corner you see the plus icon. I'm going to press the plus icon, and in the bottom of the option screen you see Add File from Account, and you can see that I have already linked up my Google Drive account to eBackpack because you see john.schwartz@sewardschools.org listed towards the bottom. Most of you should be in the same spot. You should already have those two linked. This is part of the process that we did in the distance learning lab where we were linking your eBackpack calendar to your iCal the other day. But for example, if you've not taken this step, you can easily do so by hitting the blue icon bar at the bottom that says Add External Service Account, and you would select Google Drive. It's going to ask you for your email address, so in this case your first name dot last name at sewardschools.org and whatever your password is to your email. Okay, but since I've already done that, I'm not going to take that step. I'm just going to select on my account john.schwartz@sewardschools.org. And you will see that it takes you into three files: My Drive, Shared with Me, and Starred. The document that I created in Google Drive was in My Drive. And if you recall, I named it eBackpack Sample, which you see is right there towards the top of the icons that you're looking at right now. I'm going to select that, and it's going to open a screen within eBackpack. I can turn in the assignment if you see the purple folder. So if this was an assignment that I had completed for class and the teacher had a location in eBackpack for me to turn it in, I could easily go there. I could find the location where I need to turn that assignment in, and I could upload it. And if you see in the upper right hand corner of the selection window right now the word upload, if I were to press that upload button, it would take the document from Google Drive and it would put it into eBackpack, and I would essentially be turning in the assignment. The other option is if this were notes or some other document that I wanted to save in eBackpack so I could later reference it to study for a test or for any other reason, I could put it into my files. And so in this case, I'm just going to I'm not going to put it into one of the files that we have here. I'm just going to upload it to my files in general. It'll say success. I'm going to get out of the Google Drive. And if I go back into my files, you will see at the bottom there, eBackpack sample that's already been uploaded into my files section. So a great way, Google Drive is a great way to take notes, handle some short assignments, and then the nice thing is that you can link that back up with eBackpack and turn assignments in and get things taken care of. So hopefully this short video tutorial gives you a little bit more information on how you can take two applications on your iPad and use those hand in hand to do some of your work more efficiently. We'll continue to provide tutorials throughout the year. We hope that this one provides at least a few of you with another set of tools you can use to get your work done here at Seward High School. Have a great day. Stay classy, Blue Jays.